inches too short on the arm. So we'll just do this one. Okay.
Too long?
Oh, that was perfect. That.
With my help. Do you have the camera on? You're not downloading this. Oh,
No, I'm not going to put it on here. I forgot. Wave. Hi.
Hello.
Well, today we finished up putting the bottom skins onto the right wing. Mary came out to help me. She got over her fear very quickly of running a 3X gun, and as you can see, she did a very good job. She didn't put any dents in it. I did a couple. So I'm very proud of her, and she really got into this. Hey, looky.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Look at that. It's gone together.
Aww.
I tell you, if you hadn't helped me out yesterday, I would have never got this far.
I'm always
We're on
there.
camera, so.
I'm always there.
We're on camera, so.
And I'm going to work out now after I saw my fat butt last night.
That's going on camera. Hey, that's gone. That's a good, that's a keeper.
Oh no. And I only weigh 115 pounds. I must have brought.
Do you think they believe it?